Hi everyone, it's Aya and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share plenty of Eid card ideas with you all. We have got a ton of design lined up, so buckle up and let's dive right in. So now let's talk about the start of the show, the materials we'll be using to craft these beautiful cards. I'll be using a stitch note card die by the Guritary along with craft cardstock, different shades of pink and green, and finally a touch of a sparkle with gold cardstock from Tonic Studios. I have prepared over 20 card bases to get us started. For our first design, I'm using the Jumbo Curiosity Nest die by the Guritary. I opt to use just the nest from this set. So after die cutting the nest from light and dark green cardstock, I added some floral elements using the Stitch Bloom Dynamics by My Favorite Things. Then I stamped the sentiment Eid Mubarak, use an old also new stamp set. Links to all supplies will be in the description box below. So I turned the nest into a wreath just by adding, the flowers and the leaves, the die cut flowers and leaves by MFT. And our first card is ready to go. How easy is that? Now let's move to another design. I have some stamped images from discontinued MFT set. Unfortunately, I don't remember the name of this set. So I colored these images using Copic markers. And to create this card, sorry, I lost the footage. I just randomly adhered the flower die cuts into the note card, then placed the girl in the center. And just like that, we have got another beautiful card ready to spread some Eid joy. For our third design, I used the Macrame Diamonds die by the Guritary. I die cut it from both gold and pink cardstock. Then I had fun arranging the diamonds to create an eye-catching design. And since I'm making multiple cards, I stamp the Eid Mubarak sentiment multiple times. And to make things efficient, I use the quick strips creative cuts by Mama Elephant to cut them all at once. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoy these card making ideas and feel inspired to create your own beautiful Eid cards. And remember, you can always switch up the sentiments to suit any occasion. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all next time.